Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to move a page up or down in Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, there are two ways which you can use to move your pages. So the first way is using clipboard. So you have to on clipboard first. As you can see under the home section, you have to click on this little icon to on the clipboard, and once you tick that, the clipboard will get on, and from here we can easily copy the pages and paste it to another document. And how you can do that, just select the page using your mouse, and once the page is selected, you just have to hit Ctrl+C, and yeah, there you go, the page is now copied here. And similarly we have to copy all of our pages, and now we have copied all of our pages. And now I am going to add another document. To add another document in Microsoft Word, we just have to hit Ctrl+N on our keyboard, and the new document will appear here. And now from here we can arrange all of our pages. So in my case, I want to add page number 3 on first page, so I just have to select the page number 3, as you can see here, and page number 3 on the first page. Now on the second page I want to add page number 5. So how I can do that, just go to insert and add blank page, and once you are in the blank page, we can just select the page number 5. So the page number 5 is on now page number 2, and on page number 3 I want to add page number 1, so I can just add page number 1 here. And again, let me add another blank page, and once you are in the blank page, from here you can add your pages. So this is the first way to move your pages. Now let me show you the second way. Here we can use a navigation panel, which is very easy to use. So how we can do that, just go to view button here, and once you click there, you will get to see the option for navigation pane. We have to tick here, and as you can see, we are not getting anything here. So to set this all, we just have to select the page first, and once you select the page, or you can say the heading, once you select the heading, go to home and tap on heading 1. Similarly, we will going to select the page number 2 as again heading 1. We have to do this for all of our pages. So this is going to be heading 1 again, and you can use heading 2 as well. This is also the same thing. And once you set this all, you can easily move your pages. So let me show you. I want to add page number 4 before the page number 2. So how I can do that, just select the page which you want to move, and here hold left click of your mouse and just drag this upward before page number 2. I'm going to paste it. So yeah, this is page number 4 before the page number 2, and this is how you can move your pages. Now let me move page number 3 before the page number 1. So yeah, this is that simple. I hope I was a big help. If you want to repay me, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. For that I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.